The situation in Switzerland is different. We are already much more advanced than all the other European countries, with 60% of our electricity coming from hydro and 30% coming from nuclear. So the question is how we keep it and reinforce it in the future. We have a choice, either more wind turbines in Switzerland to replace the nuclear, or increased imports from the rest of Europe, or extending the life of nuclear plants in Switzerland. The new generation of reactors that we're going to see built in Europe over the next 10 to 20 years provide mostly an advantage in terms of safety versus the current design. They have what we call a passive safety, which means that you don't need to intervene in case of incident. The plant by itself cools down. In the longer term, the advantage or the innovations are mostly related to the type of fuel that the reactors will be able to use. They will be able to use the fuel waste from the current generation of reactors, or even fuels that are not nuclear in some way, like hydrogen for fusion reactors. Swiss nuclear power plants could likely operate safely longer than currently acted. The reason for that is that around the world we see a lot of plants being extended to 50, 60 years, even potentially 80 years. In the end, it remains a decision to be made by the nuclear authorities, depending on the technology that was used and how the plants have been maintained.